everyone, just want to create this quick video to let people know that you can actually quickly swap out regular rails. This is a side mounted rail like this, from a non-self-closing to a soft closing, which is the one that will retract back softly like this. Let me give you an example. See how it softly pull itself in. Yeah, so I have this cabinet trash receptacle here. It's already put down on the ground and lay on its side. Previously, well, currently it's not self-closing, meaning I have to push it in and it doesn't retract by itself that last 1 inch. And because of that, many times it's just gapping, and my wife don't like that. So she said that it invites, I guess, critters or whatnot to get into the trash. So she wanted to change it to a self-closing, and I'm interested to see if it's a direct replacement, how easy it is, and etc, etc. So I just compared the holes and size. They're all the same, so I just want to make this video to let you guys know that as long as your width is exactly the same, buy the exact same one. So before you start, make sure that you measure your existing rail. Another thing that I do is that I took a pencil and I mark out the top and bottom of the rail before I unscrew it. Same thing with the receiving rails there. I mark everywhere that I can mark before I remove them. And then when I remove them, I physically compare them side by side, both the rails that's going to receive it and the one that is the receiving part, to make sure that they're the same width, length or width. As you can see, these two are exactly the same. This is the soft closing one, and this is the old one that is not soft closing. And I also have compared this side by side with the new one, and it's exactly the same. So it's a really easy process. The only thing that is different is that you would have to probably, most likely, you would have to use new holes. Like for example, these right here. So I only have one hole that is lining up. The rest of the two, which I need to have holes for, are not lining up. So I have to have new holes there. That's about it. Same thing with that. I checked it. One hole is exactly right. The other holes are not. So other than that, your position, your alignment, everything that you have, that you worry about, that I worry about, actually doesn't really matter. Looks like they're direct replacement. I bought mine from Amazon. Is these guys right here, made by a company called Liberty. And it's very nice quality, very smooth. I'm gonna put the link in the video description if you want to buy it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. Enjoy the video. Okay, we got it finally installed, and we're going to test the self-closing. That's the reason, obviously, that we are making this change. So when you push it to the, when you push it to the last, right here, let me just leave it right there, last 2 inch, it will grab it right there so that it doesn't leave this thing open. See, when you just push it, There. That's the reason why we changed it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.